Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a group in Amazon Alexa. Grouping devices together allows you to control multiple devices simultaneously with a single command, making your smart home even smarter. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. After installing the app, log in using your Amazon account to continue. This will give you access to all the features and settings necessary to set up and manage your Alexa devices. Tap on the device's icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will navigate you to the Devices section, where you can view and manage all your connected devices, making setup and control easy. Next, tap the icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Add Group to begin creating a new device group. This step will allow you to organize your devices for easier management. Next, tap the icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Add Group to begin creating a new device group. This step will allow you to organize your devices for easier management. You will now be presented with a list of all your connected devices. To add devices to your new group, tap on each one you wish to include. After selecting all desired devices, make sure to tap Save to finalize the group. Your group is now set up. You can control all the devices in this group with a single voice command. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn off the living room lights," and Alexa will turn off all the lights in that group.